Hello guys, we're back again with the white Veloster. On this time, I'm fixing again the engine. What happened? I already fixed it. I put it back in, but the issue is when I start trying the engine, I step on it. I guess one of the valve went down or something happened because I'm losing compression. Well, I don't have no compression on piston number four. Piston number four. I'm gonna be showing you the compression. Usually on these cars, it depends on the gauge. On this gauge, usually it runs around 90 to 120. In these engines, it will be better more than 100. But I've seen a couple engines on 90 running perfectly fine. So I'm gonna be showing you what's the pressure in each cylinder so you guys can see. This is cylinder number one. Now we're gonna be testing cylinder number two. Cylinder number three. And now it's gonna be cylinder number four. As you can see, I barely got pressure on it or compression. So I'm thinking it could be the valves that it got damaged, or it could have been a piston or something like that, but it's cranking, so I don't think it could be piston. I'm more towards the valve that it missed or something got damage on it. So I'm gonna be removing the whole engine, and then I'm gonna continue with the video me showing removing this head, because I'm gonna be using this head. This block is it's not damaged, it's knocking a little bit, so I'm gonna be using this head on that engine. Now I know what happened on this engine. I thought it wasn't the piston, but it was the piston. So let me show you. Okay, you see that piston? Look right there. You got damage right there. So it wasn't my head. Let me show you the other piston. You see right there? So everything is good, but that one. I'll push it back a little bit. So now I need to replace the whole piston. I know the rod is good because the piston is still going up and down, but the piston fell. So this is gonna be another project. All right guys, I'm gonna stop this video at the moment. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing. So now I'm back with the game plan, what I'm gonna be doing with this engine. This engine is the one that I blew out the piston. I'm gonna show you something else that I damaged something else. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be removing this engine from the transmission. I got another engine over there, but the other engine it got piston slap. So what I'm gonna be doing is replacing these 3 pistons in the other engine and swap that engine to this side. So that's what you guys are gonna be seeing. I'm gonna show you what happened on this piston. So on this piston wall over here, right here, it got damaged. So it has to go to the machine shop again to get it fixed. It's kind of hard to see it on the camera, but it's right there. Anyways, that's gonna be the game plan. The burnout, and that happened on that piston that got damaged. All of these ones, they're not that bad, but they're loose. Like they're not holding that good. So I prefer to get new ones. Anyways, I need to get new ones.
scream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. I've been before, never been before.
Alright, so now the engine is quiet. You're not hear it no more. On this one, I just need to clear the codes for the check engine and make sure that everything is good. But besides that, the engine is already sounding way better. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.